Going to be a quick video to help you compare fractions by using the cross multiply butterfly. So I'm going to start up here with 3/7 and 5/7. This is easy to compare because my denominators are the same. So I got 3 out of 7 or 5 out of 7. Well, 5 out of 7 is obviously greater. When I go to this next problem, I have 3/5 and 3/7. I can't compare them because my denominators are not the same. So what I need to do is get the denominators the same. So 7 times 5 is 35. So I could go like this and go 5 times 7 equals 35. And since I took the 5 times 7, I got to take the 3 times 7, and it equals 21. And over here, 7 times 5 equals 35. And then since I took the 7 times 5, I got to take the 3 times 5, and I get 15 35ths. And then 21 35ths, so now my denominator is the same, 35. 21 is larger than 15, so that's greater. I think this way right here with the butterfly will help you a little bit. It makes it a little bit easier to see and do. So the first thing I want to do is I'm just going to take the two numbers on the bottom times each other. So 5 times 7 is 35. That's my new denominator, and it's for both numbers. This is going to be changed to a 35, and this is going to be changed to a 35. So here comes the cross multiply butterfly. I'm going to take this times this. 3 times 7 equals 21. And here's the thing, butterflies usually have some kind of antennas. So 3 times 7, since I'm starting with the 3 on this side, 3 times 7 is 21. That goes on this side. And I'm cross multiplying this way. 3 times 5 is 15. And so now if you look back at the numbers we had over here, look, here's 21 35ths. 21 35ths. On the right side, what we change it to? 15 35ths. 15 35ths. So now, from cross multiply butterfly, all I'm really doing is looking at this and going, which is bigger, 21 or 15? Well, that's a no-brainer. So 3/5 is really more than 3/7. I'm going to do a couple, and then I'll give you a chance to do a couple. In fact, I'm going to do 4, if you just watch real fast. So first step, 3 times 4 is 12. 2 times 4 is going to give me an 8. So on this antenna, I have an 8. On this side, 3 times 3 is 9. So this antenna's got a 9. 9 is bigger than 8. So I'm going that way right there. 3/4 is larger than 2/3. Coming over here, first step, 5 times 10 is 50. So that's going to be my denominator for both of them. 2 times 10 is 20. And 3 times 5 is 15. 20 is larger than 15, so 20 50ths is larger than 15 50ths. 2/5 is more than 3/10. Try a couple more. 6 times 3, 18. Cross multiplying, 4 times 3 equals 12. And on this side, 2 times 6 equals 12. Oh, they're the same. So this one happens to be equal. My denominator, 8 times 5 is 40. Cross multiply, 5 times 5 is 25. Cross multiply this way, 8 times 3 is 24. 25 is a little bit bigger than 24. Okay. Stop the video when you try these two. Try them both. Here we go. 5 times 3 is 15. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 is larger than 5, so we're going that way. 2/5 is more than 1/3. 5 times 4 is 20. Cross multiply. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 is bigger than 15, so 4/5 is more than 3/4. Last page, stop the video, try these two out. 8 times 3 is 24. Cross multiply, 2 times 8 is 16. Cross multiply, 3 times 3 is 9. 16 is a lot larger than 9, so 16 24ths is more. And last one, 5 times 6 is 30. Cross multiply, 4 times 6, 24. 5 times 5, 25. 25 is just a little more, so 5/6 is more than 4/5. Get your worksheet number 5 out of your folder, and you can work on it. And then when you get finished, you can do Alex.